Assalamu alaikum. So guys, we are study today subject. जो स्टूडेंट टुडे आज हम जा रहे हैं सब्जेक्ट की तरफ। सब्जेक्ट है क्या आखिर में? सब्जेक्ट जो है ये लैटिन वर्ड है। सब्जेक्ट एक लतीनी ज़ुबान का लफ्ज़ है। इसमें जो निकालता है सब्जेक्टस। It is derived from subjectus. Subjectus mean the doer. Subjectus मानी है doer. So हम किस तरह डिफाइन करते हैं आखिर में सब्जेक्ट है क्या? So guys, the doer of an action is called what is called subject, or a part of a sentence which explained by predicate. जो सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास जुमले का एक हिस्सा है, वो बयान करते हैं प्रेडिकेट। Subject sukmada da musara yuda dicisha yu sentence wala partas da musara explain kawi da mutawazih kai predicate muna mubdaga sangi define kawu sangi muzd kawali shu da musara subject da kanada. So guys, by the help of example we can know about subject very easily. He goes to school. ये क्या है? ये he is a subject. The remaining part of a sentence is called what? Is called predicate. They play cricket. I am a student. So guys, question is arise that the doer of an action is called subject. ये जो डिफिनीशन है हमारे पास ये नामुकम्मल है, ये पूरी नहीं है। पूरी डिफिनीशन ये है, a part of a sentence which is explained by predicate. So कैसे the above definition is not clear, is not complete definition. It's not, sometimes is not give a meaning. So for example, we can give one example. He is ill. ये क्या है? वो बीमार है। It is not clear that the doer of an action is called subject. It's not show he is ill. It's not showing the doer. It means that it's not show action. It show what? It show state. That's why the नीचे definition है वो वाज़ेह तरह क्लियर है. Okay, a part of a sentence which is explained by predicate is called what? Is called subject. So guys, let's move ahead. Predicate. आखिर predicate है क्या? Predicate मुस्ता यायु और चिशदा predicate. So let's start the definition of predicate. Without subject, the rest part of a sentence is called predicate. Subject की बाहर the remaining part of a sentence, जो बाकी जुमला है इसमें हम क्या कहते हैं? इसमें हम predicate कहते हैं. इसी तरह हम भी डिफाइन करते हैं predicate complete the meaning of subject. जो predicate है वो subject का meaning पूरा करते हैं. Like how he plays hockey. He plays hockey. Without subject, plays hockey. It's what? It is a predicate. We can touch he. It's complete the meaning of subject. Or without subject, the remaining part of a sentence is called what? Is called predicate. So guys, we can know about predicate and subject very easily. For example, they are teachers. Without they के बाहर the remaining part of a sentence is called what? Is called predicate. When we touch the subject, it's what? It's mean that without subject, the rest part of a sentence is called what? Is called predicate. So guys, this is our today lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My new video is coming to you first. Thank you my supporter. I appreciate all of you. Wassalam. Huda Hafiz.